Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video I have for you the Unicorn Crate subscription box unboxing. So it's been a while since I've gotten the Unicorn Crate box. They were doing two. They were doing a book box and they were doing a lifestyle box. And I was doing both of them for a while. Then I switched over, was just doing the lifestyle box. But they actually stopped doing the lifestyle box and now they just concentrate on the book box. So every month I check whatever the hint is going to be, and if I think it's something that I like, I will get it. You can do one-time boxes. You do not have to do the subscription where it renews every month no matter what. You can, if there's any available, do a one-time purchase for the box. So this is actually the December. This is the December box right here. I figure we're at the beginning of January, so I figured everybody has unboxed theirs because I don't like spoiling it for anybody. So I think we are good to go. And I haven't opened it. I was waiting to do this video. So before we get started, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me. And yeah, so here we go. So this is the book box. And let's see what we got. I'm excited. So the book box includes a book and bookish things. So in the past I've gotten bookmarks, I've gotten pens, all sorts of stuff. So this month's theme was Hearts Gone Dark. So it was kind of like I forget, I should have looked up what the hint was, so to speak. But I don't know, it just looked really good. So I'm not gonna look at this yet because that's gonna tell us what it is. I want to be surprised. So first up in the box we have, oh my god, these are so cute, Vicious Villains triple threat 3-pin set. How cute are these pins? So you have Cruella de Vil. It says, I love the smell of near extinction. And underneath this one is Maleficent. It says, I must say I really felt quite distressed at not receiving an invitation. And the Evil Queen, one bite and all your dreams will come true. And this is yeah, these are the pins. These are so cute. I love pins. I have a whole bunch on one of the bags that I carry, so I'll probably add those in. Those are super cute. Something in here smells really good. Almost has like a soap smell. I think something might have been in here. Let's see. So let's just look. I will go quick on here. Going to guides.etsy.com. So that's where the pins came from. That's right. This book was actually a trilogy and you were getting all 3 books. I remember that now. Yes. Okay. So next we have, I think this said this was a scarf. Court of Wonderland scarf. So let's see what we got here. We will open it up. Everybody knows I love a good scarf. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is pretty. Perfect for the upcoming. Oh, it's an infinity scarf. Even better. Ooh, I really like this. This is really pretty. Yes, very, very pretty. Alright. I love a good scarf. Alright. Oh, also we have, oh, look how cute. We have a unicorn ornament. Oh my god. I'll have to save. I don't know, I might find somewhere to put it. I might just like hang it in my room. But it'll definitely go on the tree for next year. Kind of missed the boat on the tree for this year. But let's see what this is. Here we go. This is what I smell. This is Black Castle Candles, and this is Paint the Roses Red. And it's a little jar candle. Ooh, that smells really good. It does smell like roses. And this is Paint the Roses Red. It's a 2-ounce soy candle, and this is blackcastlecandles.etsy.com is their shop. That smells really good. I like that. And something is wrapped in here. Yeah, this is what it is. That smell. I was gonna say something smelled like soap. Throne of Glass. So Mannin Blackbeak, does it say? Mannin Blackbeak soap. So it's storysensations.etsy.com, and this is amazing. Just look at, there's like glittery soap, and it really smells good. Morath, Waste, Wyvern, Blood, and Iron. Oh my god, it just smells really good. I was gonna say the box smelled like soap, but it has like a woodsy, almost like musky scent. Love that. Okay, we've got a print, which we have gotten in the past. I really like this print. This is by blackfuryart.etsy.com. There we go. Got a bookmark. forthedreamersdesign.com. So this is Bellatrix Lestrange. Oh, he knows how to play little bitty baby Potter. I really like that one. That one's nice. Can never have too many bookmarks. We have the signed book plate. And here we have a letter from the author. I will read it for you. Dear reader, as the holidays arrive in all their candy-colored glory, you may be preparing your heart for rich traditions, gifts, friends, and family. Or you may feel like there isn't a place for joy in your heart this year. I want to tell you that's okay. Too often the world tells girls that they should be smiling, carefree, and light. Too seldom we are told that it's fine to feel how we feel, whether it be angry, melancholy, or introspective. I first wrote the Queen of Hearts saga because I wanted to see a girl who was a villain, a strong and ruthless queen who earned her title as villain by doing bad things and paying the consequences for them. I wanted the opposite of the smiling, flawless females I often saw in books, and I wondered if I could make readers root for someone they know would end up the antagonist of their story. From this saga was born a tale of dark heart and the girl constantly at war against it. It is a tale of a brutal monarchy and pink snow of the cast. Oh my god, hold on. It's the only bad thing about these letters is it's written in like the author's handwriting, which, not that it's bad, but sometimes it's just hard to make out. It is a tale of a brutal monarchy and pink snow, of the cost of violence, of crowns and caterpillars. It is the story of a dark heart, and it is yours in its entirety. As you wade through the joys of the season, I hope you know your heart is valuable, light or dark. And it says, Love, Colleen Oakes. So that is our author. So I remember like some of this description being in the hint, and that's what made me think like I need this book series. And it was a trilogy, and I know I probably didn't have it, so let us see. Oh my god, how cute are these little bags? This is the first time I've seen this little bag. I haven't got the Unicorn Crate in a couple months. Actually, it's been quite a few months. I love this little bag. I'm definitely going to use that. Alright, so we got a trilogy. So, I do remember them saying that they wouldn't all be soft cover and they all wouldn't be hard cover, because one of them was a new release. So, but that's fine. I'm not one of those people that has to have my book, you know, all of them matching. I'm not picky. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so which is which? Oh, I don't know which is which. Hold on. I think it's this one. Blood of Wonderland. Okay, so here is the first one. So this one is called Queen of Hearts. And so, let's see. Only queens with hearts can bleed. This is not the story of the Wonderland we know. Alright, that's what made me think that this was going to be about like an Alice in Wonderland, but from the evil side of things. So, okay, only queens with hearts can bleed. This is not the story of the Wonderland we know. Alice has not fallen down a rabbit hole. This is a Wonderland where beneath each smile lies a secret. Each heart comes with a demand, and only prisoners tell the truth. Dinah is the princess who will one day reign over Wonderland. She has not yet seen the dark depths of her kingdom. She longs only for her father's approval and a future with the boy she loves. But then a betrayal breaks her heart and threatens her throne. She's launched into Wonderland's dangerous political game. Dinah must stay one step ahead of her cunning enemies, or she'll lose not just the crown, but her head. So this came out, I think this was 2016. Yes, so this came out in 2016. So then after this book, you get Blood of Wonderland. So this is part 2. This came out in 2017. So this says the queen will rise. Dinah has been exiled from Wonderland. The vicious father she always feared has framed her for the brutal murder of her brother and turned the kingdom against her. Now hiding in the mysterious twisted wood of her only war steed at her side. With only her war steed at her side, Dinah is faced with a choice. She could leave Wonderland behind forever or return to fight her father for her throne, a fight she knows would only result in bloodshed. When a chance encounter with one of her father's long-lost enemies brings Dinah more allies than she could have ever imagined, war starts to feel inevitable. But Dinah can lead her people into combat. She must confront certain truths about her heart and her destiny, no matter how dark those truths may be. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. And then this one is the hardcover, and this is the final book. It's War of the Cards. And this one, obviously, I think this is obviously going to be 2017. Okay. So, this says, off with their heads. Dinah has lost everyone she ever loved. Her brother was brutally murdered. The wicked man she believed was her father betrayed her. Her loyal subjects have been devastated by war, and the boy she gave her heart to broke it completely. Now a dark queen has risen out of the ashes of her former life. Fury is blooming inside Dinah, poisoning her soul and twisting her mind. All she has left is Wonderland and her crown and her obsession to fight for both. But the war rages on, and Dinah can inherit a blood-stained throne. Can a leader filled with love and rage ever be the ruler her kingdom needs? Or will her all-consuming wrath bring Wonderland to its knees? This is not a story of happily ever after. This is the story of the Queen of Hearts. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So in this box was 3 books. So you get the whole trilogy, which is absolutely amazing. And this little bag, I absolutely love this bag. And then you get your normal goodies. So I'm really excited that I got this one. I've heard good things about the first one. Not so much about the second and third, but I know the first one I heard a lot of good things about. So I'm excited that that's what this is. Very excited for that. So yeah, I did not, you know what, I don't even know what the January box is going to be. I don't ever think I ever checked it, but which I probably should have. But yes, so this was the December Unicorn Crate. They may still be available. I did not check if there's any extra boxes. They will put them up for one-time purchase, which I do believe I did with this one, because I canceled my subscription just so I can go month to month based on the whatever the box hint is for the month, or sometimes after the fact they'll post up everything that was in the box, and then you have an option to purchase it. So I will go and I will check to see what the January box will be, and then maybe I will get that as well. But it feels good to get the Unicorn Crate box again. Feels good. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to go check out Unicorn Crate. They are also on Instagram if you want to check them out on Instagram, Unicorn Crate. Yeah, so don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video.